Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will talk about specific Amazon advertising campaigns for business. So you all know that there is a separate website called Amazon Business, and there businesses come obviously to buy mostly in bulk, but not always the case. But you have the option in your regular campaigns to add Amazon business adjustments, and that's fine. But the bad thing about that is that all of those additional placement adjustments combine. So you combine top of search placement adjustment with Amazon Business additional bid adjustments, and then also if you had additional Amazon Marketing Cloud placements, you can go crazy with the bids. And if you are using dynamic up and down bidding, there's no limit of how far you can bid. But I will show you how you can structure your campaign specifically for Amazon Business, and I will tell you what are some of the specifics and benefits of you creating it this way. So you start with your regular, this is sponsor product campaign. You start with your regular campaign, and here for the sites, you have the ability to select only Amazon Business here. Then you proceed regularly to add your products, select from the list or whatever you like. You select your targeting. For this occasion, I will select manual. Then you can select keyword and product targeting. By the way, I suggest that you try these keywords related to your product category just as a test. Especially for Amazon Business, it may work. Also, keywords related to your brand. That's for a separate campaign. Do not combine that, but it's worth testing as a side note. Then as a negative keyword targeting, I always recommend to add your own brand name in phrase match, because you should have separate campaigns for branded terms. Then since it's a new campaign, I'm gonna go for fixed bids. Now this is the most important part. Now here for adjustments, these adjustments are specific for Amazon Business placements. So now you have the ability to specify top of search for Amazon Business placements, rest of search and product pages adjustments. So now somebody who's browsing Amazon Business website gonna see your ad on top of search if you add a specific top of search modifier here. It's much better control, and this is a must if your sales are coming also from B2B buyer. So you can check that in your business reports and then navigate to sales and traffic, and just if it's not already added by default, on the right you can toggle the sidebar on the right hand, and then also add B2B metrics over there. If your B2B sales are, I don't know, I would even add, like, if your sales from B2B are 10%, 20% of all of the sales, I will still add this as a test, because typically conversion rate is much higher on B2B sales. So that this single change will enable you to bid effectively, because as I said, when you add Amazon Business bid adjustments in your regular sponsored product campaigns, all of those bid adjustments are combined and multiplied. So that can sometimes create unexpected results. Then proceed with the proper campaign naming. Make sure to name the campaign that it's a B2B campaign. And then, as in my last video, I covered this in details. There is an option to launch your campaign in additional countries on Amazon Business. Of course, lastly, disable this automatic setting to boost your bids during the Christmas sales. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye, guys.